What's up, CT Squad? It's your girl, Kayla.
It's your girl, Sakiria.
And once again, guys, we are back with another video. And today, we're going to be pranking my grandma saying that we sold her dog. We're going to be like, it was a man at the store that he was looking to buy a dog. And I was like, I got one at home, but I was saying it to play. But then he was like, you for real? And then he followed us home, and he bought the dog. Prank. So I'm really
gonna actually go on the back porch.
He'll be on the back porch. We're gonna get my grandma reaction. Peace.
No, don't stop it. Keep on going. Come on. Oh my God, Kayla. Y'all gonna go keep going. Oh Lord, y'all pray for my best friend, cause she doing crazy things for the dog. Putting the dog outside. Oh my God, what if he make noise? Oh my God.
I gotta put the trash can. Oh, the trash can went over there.
She gonna be like, where's Benji? Oh Lord.
She's not gonna think to look outside.
She don't go on the back porch?
No, you don't never go out the back door.
Well, alright, y'all. I guess I'll set y'all up till she get here, cause I ain't gonna hide the camera. We ain't gonna hide the camera. We're gonna pretend that we vlogging, and then like, cause baby, not a part.
Send me them pictures.
I'm recording. You gotta wait. Man, you will wait till the last minute, my guy. Cause the other prank we had in the mind. No. Dang, I don't want this thing to fall. Could just stand a little cricket.
Kira, why you got the video?
Still going? Because I just told you we ain't gonna cut it off. Cause if I cut it off, then we ain't gonna. Cause we ain't got no camera to cut off and cut back on, and it still be recording the thing. So we're not gonna record till she get here. Well, you need to call her, see where she at, see how far she is. So come to the camera, come on.
I'm calling.
Now we're finna call her, I'm gonna see how far she is.
Please leave your message.
Call her business phone.
Man, I hope she ain't gonna stay late and we did this. So we might go ahead and do it another time.
This shit finna be fun. This job finna be funny.
She gonna kick you.
She gonna kill.
Oh my God, somebody didn't answer the phone.
She don't wanna talk to me or something.
Call her phone back.
Go, she outside. They sound like she outside. Go, take the camera. Well, you could be like, we vlogging. It would be like we was doing a video. I think I'll come on here.
She ain't here.
Yeah, we good. Hey, that's why we need the dog, because we can know when she be pulling up, because he'll start barking. Damn. Oh, these people. Hello?
Hey, you just called me?
Yeah, I was just trying to see where you still at work.
No, I'm not at home. Just got off the freeway.
Did you have a good day?
Hot as hell out here.
Well, I got some news for you. I put in 4 job applications today.
Which one hired you?
None.
Did you use Dr. Gorilla as what you call it?
I used you, Dr. Gorilla, and Miss Maddie. But I did one for what it was? Target, Chick-fil-A, TJ Maxx, and I was trying to do one for Walmart, but I couldn't find it, so that was really only 3.
Most of those, probably, I don't know, have to do Walmart at Walmart. So high. Oh, I cannot keep doing this. I got to find me a job.
All right. Well, we'll see when we get here. All right. So she'll be here like 5 minutes because she getting off the freeway.
Man, where's the freeway to my
The
door?
one that best me by Lowe's. Right up by Lowe's.
Oh, snap.
So
Oh, she
she'll
done
be
found
here
her
in
like.
like 5 minutes. And just so y'all know, I'm gonna die. She's not gonna really say nothing to Kira. She just gonna be like, why you let her do that? Why you let her stay on my
She
time?
go first.
And then she gonna be like, why was you thinking? Why was you thinking? I'm be like, he was getting on my nerves. I didn't want him here anyway. She gonna be like, what the money at? I'm like, he only gave us $20 and we spent it on snacks. There you go. Then like the rest we had went to Dairy Queen and we had ate some ice cream at Dairy Queen because she gonna be like, there wasn't $20. And I'm like, it was only 12, but we took the other the other 8 and we went to Dairy Queen. Oh, I gotta stop sticking my middle finger up.
You really do.
So like, we just gonna talk to y'all for time being because we ain't got nothing else to do. So we watched Carmen and Corey prank.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, Hispanic don't play, baby. She not play. She said, you got my reaction. You got my reaction. Why you mad?
She
You
was
got
out
my
of she was out
reaction.
of bro. He had to pick her up, take her to the room. I was like, oh my god. Ain't no way I would be him or nobody else. They ain't no Hispanic. I'm out of the lead. Oh, we need to do a skin routine. Cause this bump on the side of my face. No, I did my own hair.
Ooh.
When it came out? No, it ain't came out yet.
Good.
Oh my god.
Yay. Listen. So like my grandma really finna be here, and I'm really kind of scared. I'm scared.
Oh dang, we should oh, I would say the money from the dog. I like we could have showed, but we ain't got no $20.
No. What we can do is be like we bought some weed with it.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Be like the money we bought, we was hungry, we ain't had no food here, so I sold your dog. That's what I'm saying. Bandana gang.
I need my eyebrows did.
I need my whole body did. From the head. This. I think this.
Dang, we need a bench in the house, bro.
Right. Oh my god, that's a stupid neighbor. Busy. Girl, what if somebody
we need
really
that.
took him? What is
I just looked up there. What are we no, cause I was gonna say we're gonna have time. We bring them in, and then when she be outside, run him back out there. Brian been in the house so he can bark and let us know if he's
Girl,
here.
that's
And
too
then-
much. That's too
But
much.
I was just- I know, that's
that
what I'm
cage
just saying.
heavy. That's too much.
No, I'm somebody leave the cage outside and then
Oh,
just bring
baby.
him in so he can bark.
And then how we gonna put him back in the cage?
Right, you
fast?
better run. I know that's why I said, I was like, that ain't gonna be, I was like, they ain't gonna work, because it ain't gonna be no sense of us doing it.
We need to do a story time.
I'm waiting. That's been story time for you. But for me, no time.
Oh, story time of how you was dealing with a F boy. We ain't gonna say no names, but you know. Me in my eyes. Look down there and see that. That's what you're talking.
I just heard a car go.
I'm scared.
I'm
My
tripping.
heart be that fast. I'm scared. Like I really just sold the dog for real. I'm scared. My heart beat fast. That's them over there. My heart beating so fast. I would play some music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. They ain't gonna get copyrighted. So yeah, guys. But like I said, you just gotta stay low key. You gotta stay doing you. Like, don't ever let nobody knock you off your grind. Like, me and her, we new to the game, but we ain't gonna let nobody just tell us what we can and can't do because we new to YouTube. Like, it don't work like that. Like, we know that we new, and we know that, but ain't nobody just gonna punk us because we new.
You wanna come say hi?
Get it. Get it. I get it. Get it. Get it.
But you know, I can punk you anytime I want.
Yeah, baby girl.
Now say I can't. Say I can't.
Y'all know. Y'all know. My earring.
Now what you got to say? Can't nobody punk you but who?
Pia. Pia, that perfume on you still loud.
Who can punk you?
Yeah.
Oh, tell them.
Pia is the only one that can punk us.
Yeah.
Ooh, watch your cop. Ooh, watch your
It feels
cop.
so
Ooh,
different
watch your
because
cop.
we didn't know she was
Ooh, watch your
coming.
cop.
Like, we ain't even hear Benji bark.
He doesn't bark at me because I.
That's curious.
Oh.
We ain't hear him because he not here. Go look in there.
I'm not even finna worry about that.
Okay. Okay. Your dog is
about to sit down, and when I get up, my dog better be.
Pia, your dog, you can look anywhere in this house. I'm telling you, you're not
I'm not
gonna.
playing with
We
you.
sold your dog. Your dog is sold. We had nothing to eat here, so we walked the Dollar
Nigga,
General.
please.
We walked the Dollar.
What you mean ain't nothing to eat here? You's a lie. You's a whole biscuit and a lie. Now, you want to see something?
Oh.
Watch this.
No, okay. So let me tell you. All that we didn't want that food. Now we wanted some hot food from Dairy Queen. So my friend, right
Ain't
here,
nobody gave you no money for my dog. Now, I'm about
yes,
to
they did. Your dog is not in this house.
My dog better not be outside.
Your dog is not in here. He not outside. He gone. He is sold to the highest beneficial. And guess how much they paid us for him? $20. That's how much they paid us. $20.
I hope somebody is willing to give me more than the dollar that you worth when I beat your ass. Because I'm about to beat it right now.
Okay, it's a prank. Karen, get the dog. It's a prank. It's a prank. He outside. He outside. Go ahead with that, please. Karen, go get the dog.
He better not be out there in that hot ass sun.
Karen, go get the dog.
My dog out there.
Karen, go get the dog. Karen, go get. He just got out there.
No,
He
he
just
didn't.
got out there.
I'm about to ask you. I'm about to ask you. I can tell. Oh, as you put him out there. She finna die. She finna die.
Oh, Lord. Stop when you drop the phone.
I ain't finna drop the phone. What you say? What you say? What you say?
I'm sorry.
What you say?
I'm sorry. It was better than the prank we was finna do on you.
Which was what? That's the old man that I saw in the white van? Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh.
We was gonna prank you and say we go with each other. Me and Security. We was
Oh,
gonna-
baby, don't get beat.
Okay, YouTube. Look what you did.
What you got to say to YouTube? My grandma was finna beat my ass. And Takira's too.
Bye, YouTube. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn post notifications on. We out.